Okay, today we're looking at a 2025 Ibex RV Suite. This model is the RVS3. What's so unique about this particular unit is, the retro look of it is awesome. As it features two slide outs with a back porch, and then it also has a loft. Overall length is 40 foot. You're coming in just around 10,000 dry weight, 99.75 is your listed dry weight. It's going to feature a nice large living area with an L sofa island with plenty of seating. You're going to have a large TV, residential old school look refrigerator. It does have your big shower, your washer and dryer down in your closet down there, and then you've got a fireplace in the living room as well as your bedroom, which is a full walk around bed as well. Hey, my name is Mitch with RV Wholesalers here in Lakeview, Ohio. Today we're going to look at, it's a brand new 2025 Ibex RV Suite. The model's an RVS3. Big thing that's on this unit is, as you can tell, it is tall. Pretty much made more for putting at a spot. Obviously you can tow it. It's very boxy, so you're not going to get the best fuel mileage, but we'll just start on the outside. As you can tell, it has a white exterior. It's like an old school unit, is what I like to take from it. You've got a nice patio door. You've got a nice entry coming in here. As we get to the back, see how you've got frameless windows all on the outside here? I think that's really cool looking. But as we come back here, this is one thing that really sets it off, in my opinion. You've got a rear patio, right? You've got an overhang for the patio, and then you've got an entrance to go in and out of your patio as well. So we'll go up next and take a look on the inside. Okay, as you come in the patio right here, you're going to see a monster television, right? You've got a fireplace down below. I love how they've done like the rustic wood look with like the lighter green, the gold handles. You've got a big like closet pantry area here. L sofa directly across from your entertainment center. They're using solid surface countertops, right? You've got chairs on both sides, so you got a place to sit, eat. Basically that's your dinner table. As you move your way this way, you're going to notice you've got induction tops up top, your microwave. Looks like this is a microwave as well as a convection microwave, so you can bake in it as well. Again, more storage. Island has a nice stainless steel undermount sink. Check how cool this is. This is like the retro refrigerator, so you've got a bottom freezer, top fridge. I think that's really cool as well. I'm going to have you swing up and just show they've got a double loft up top here with a spiral staircase as you go up. Really cool option there. So a lot of people like that for kids and grandkids and stuff like that. So we'll work our way next to the front bathroom. Okay, now we move to the front bathroom. First thing on your right, when you walk down the steps, you're going to have an all-in-one washer and dryer combo. It's got adjustable shelves up top, so if you ever decided, hey, maybe I want to put in two washer and a dryer separate, this is a combo that does all-in-one. You could always put in a stackable as well. Got a big mirror right there for your door. His and her sinks, I love this. Look how cool that is. You've got, they're above the countertop. You've got the nice modern residential. Look at the wallpaper and stuff in here. It looks really cool. It's just an old school type of unit. I love it. You got more storage here. You've got your toilet. And then as you come down, you're going to notice you have an awesome shower. So I like how what they've done here with, like the residential, you got all type of spray ports and everything there. It's got like the stone look and everything. It's just really cool looking, man. It's just, there's not really much anything out there like it. So next we'll work our way and we're going to go to the rear bedroom and porch area. Okay, as we come into the bedroom, it's a full walk around bed, right? You've got hanging right here directly at the foot of your bed. You're going to have a fireplace, a nice shelf, large window. Right behind me, you've got another patio door that's going to go out to the deck. You've got windows up top. You've got like a barn style look as far as your dooring again. They've used the wood, the offset grays and greens and everything. It's just a really good retro look. This particular one does have like it's like the cooktop and everything that goes on the outside. Let's work our way to the back here. I want to show you guys this. And that's where this grill and everything would go as you come out. Now you've got an awesome patio out here. You can cook, hang out, put a lawn chairs back here and just really relax. You've got a nice overhang with lights and everything else. So anything you ever need, again, my name is Mitch Eilerman. You can reach me directly at 937-843-4380. I'd love to go over questions that you have. I've been here for pretty much 20 years now, and I'd love to help you out and find something that would work best for you and your family. Thank you.